Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out the all-new Redmi Buds 6 Active. If you are in the market for budget-friendly earbuds with solid features, this might be the one for you. Let's dive into details. So here's what you get in the box. The Redmi Buds 6 Active earbuds, the charging case, a Type-C charging cable and a quick start guide. The first thing you will notice is the semi-in-ear design, which is ergonomic and comfortable for long usage. They come in three colors, blue, white and black, so you got options to match your style. Let's talk about the design of the Redmi Buds 6 Active. One of the standout features is its sleek and modern look. The charging case itself has a glossy finish with a transparent lid that not only looks stylish but also gives you a quick glance at your earbuds without opening the case. The case is also compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around even in small packets. Now onto the semi-in-ear design. This is a bit of a departure from the fully in-ear designs we see in many wireless earbuds today. Instead of creating a tight seal inside your ear canal, these earbuds rest more comfortably on the outer part of your ear. This makes them more comfortable for long listening sessions, especially for those who find in-ear design uncomfortable or tiring. Despite not being a full in-ear fit, they still manage to stay securely in place, even during light physical activities like walking or jogging. Another thing worth noting is that the lightweight construction of the earbuds makes them the ideal for all-day wear. Each earbud weighs around 3.6 grams, so they won't feel heavy or intrusive. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, these earbuds will keep you comfortable. Plus, with the IPX4 water-resistant rating, you don't have to worry about sweat or light rain running your earbuds, making them a good companion for workouts or outdoor activities. When it comes to build quality, Xiaomi has done a solid job. Despite the affordable price, the Redmi Buds 6 Active don't feel cheap. The plastic construction is well finished and the charging case has a satisfying click when you open and close it. It's sturdy enough to handle daily wear and tear. One downside, however, is the lack of active noise cancellation, but that's not surprising at this price point. The earbuds rely on their semi-in-ear design for passive noise reduction, which might not be as effective as ANC but still provides a decent level of isolation. Overall, the Redmi Buds Active offers a balance between style, comfort and practicality. If you prefer a less intrusive fit with a minimalist and sleek design, this might be just what you are looking for. And with its lightweight build and water resistance, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your everyday life. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The Redmi Buds 6 Active is equipped with a 14.2mm dynamic driver, which is quite large for earbuds in this price range. This larger driver size is designed to deliver better bass response and a more full-bodied sound. Whether you are listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls, you can expect a fairly rich sound experience with these earbuds. Thanks to the 14.2mm driver, the Redmi Buds 6 Active delivers deep punchy bass. While it won't blow you away with a sub-watts like premium earbuds with dedicated bass enhancement features, it certainly holds its own in this budget category. If you are someone who enjoys genres like hip-hop or EDM, you will appreciate the bass these buds bring. The mids are clear, especially when listening to vocals or podcasts, and the highs, while not incredibly bright, are balanced well, making for an overall clean listening experience. Now let's talk about the battery life, which is one of the Redmi Buds 6 Active's strongest features. Xiaomi claims up to 30 hours of total playback when using the earbuds with the charging case. That breaks down to about 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, which is more than enough for a full day of listening. If you are someone who listens to music or podcasts throughout the day, you won't need to worry about constantly charging them. One feature I really like is the fast charging capability. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you an additional hour of playback. This is especially handy if you are in a rush or forgot to charge them overnight. The fast charging feature ensures you that even when you are running low on battery, you won't be out of tunes for long. In my real life tests, the battery life was pretty close to Xiaomi's claims. I was able to get around 5.5 to 6 hours of playback on a single charge, depending on the volume level and usage. The charging case took about 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge, which is quite standard for earbuds in this category. Overall, the battery performance of the Redmi Buds 6 Active is excellent, especially for price point. With up to 30 hours of total battery life, fast charging and a compact charging case, these earbuds are well suited for anyone who values long battery life without frequent recharging. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have tried these earbuds yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.